What's up, guys? Today I'm Angelo. Today I'm going to teach how to hack Pokemon Go. Here, you see the joystick here, right? Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to get that. So, there, Pokestop, you can go out of your house, stay in your house and control this joystick. Can turn the Pokestop. Got only ball. So, let's begin. So first, you need Pokemon Go, of course. Then you need an app like Fake GPS Go, like that, to have a joystick. If you're using Android, I hope that you're using Play Store. If you're using iOS, so you're using App Store. So begin, type fly GPS and you'll see a clock. It's with 2 wings there, and install it. Okay, so once you already installed it, you will see there, the app is there. So next you need to go to settings, go way down and go to developer options. Then press USB debugging. Turn it on. Press OK. Then wait. Then press the select mock location app. Then press fly GPS there. So you got it. Next, I'm going to teach you how to open it and how to use it. Go open fly GPS. This app might harm you, or your phone might get a virus or something, but I didn't get it. So it's loading. So just now, I think I'm in Korean or something. Just a map. Okay, now I'm in Thailand, so I'm going to type Thailand. Where do you want to go? You just go to US, like that, United States, China, Korean. Yeah, you can go everywhere. So it's loading. So you've seen here, I'm there, the blue spot there. Tap it. Actually, you can go anywhere, but I'm going to choose where am I. Then press please select the menu. Then press GPS service run. Then press move location mod. Then you'll get it. That's it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe below and give a big thumb like. Thank you. Bye.